Potty training is a big milestone for both toddlers and parents. Here are some tips to make the journey smoother. First, timing is key. Every child is different, so look for signs of readiness, like showing interest in the bathroom, staying dry for longer periods, or telling you when they need a diaper change. Next, create a routine. Set regular potty times throughout the day, like after meals and before bedtime. Consistency helps your toddler understand and get comfortable with the new routine. Make it fun. Turn potty time into an enjoyable experience with stickers, rewards, or a special potty training book. Celebrate every success, no matter how small. Use comfortable equipment. Invest in a child-friendly potty or a seat that fits on your regular toilet. Make sure your little one can easily sit and get up on their own. Lead by example. Let your toddler watch and learn from you or older siblings. This can help them understand the process and feel more comfortable.